Welcome back everyone. Today we're gonna see a Shopee affiliate review. The Shopee affiliate program is an online marketing initiative by Shopee that allows individuals, influencers and bloggers and content creators to earn commissions by promoting Shopee products. You share customer referral links, and when someone makes a purchase using your link, you earn a percentage of the sale. It's a part of Shopee's broader e-commerce ecosystem, and it's available in many Southeast Asian countries such as Indonesia, Malaysia and Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam and others. You can earn up to 10% commission on each qualified sale, varies by country and product category, also generates unique URLs for products or stores. You can apply via Shopee's affiliate portal or through networks like Involve Asia or Impact. You can track your performance, clicks, and conversions, and have access to banners, coupons, and seasonal promotions for campaigns. Also, your job ends with the referral because no need to handle shipping or customer service. It is free to join, high conversion potential, mobile-friendly, flexible payout thresholds, and works for new creators, although it has some categories like electronics or branded goods offer lower commissions. Most programs only have a 7-day cookie window, limiting late conversations. Also, it may take weeks to receive commissions due to Shopee's return refund policy waiting period. Also, you must apply regionally and cannot earn from sales outside your registered countries. So, the Shopee affiliate program is a great way for content creators, bloggers, and social media influencers in Southeast Asia to monetize their traffic with minimal risk. It's beginner-friendly and backed by a popular e-commerce brand that particularly sells itself. However, if you're looking for high-ticket commissions or global coverage, it may not be the best fit. It's best for micro-influencers, local bloggers, product reviewers, and niche community builders. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.